Hey guys, I'm gonna make some baked char siu. Here's my ingredients. I got some boneless, skinless breasts. So the recipe calls for 2.5 pounds of chicken. Here, you know, we're a little heavier, so I'll probably do about 2/3 of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, probably four breasts all cut up. Got garlic, cayenne pepper, soy sauce, Chinese 5-spice, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and honey. Okay, now I'm just gonna chop up my chicken. That way I can marinate it. I'm gonna cut these pieces of fat off there too, set them aside, well, toss them. Just gonna cut this into nice small strips, cutting the fat off of there. Okay, here's my chopped up chicken. I'm gonna set that aside and I'm gonna work on my marinade here. So what we're gonna do is make the marinade and set half of it aside for basting the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna take 4 garlic cloves and press it through the press into the bowl. Okay, got the garlic in there. 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 4 teaspoons of sesame oil. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. There's the soy sauce. Okay, this one's optional. I like a little heat, so just a little shake. It calls for 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna mix this up and set half of it aside. Okay, I set about half of it aside for basting. And I'm gonna put the chicken in here. And I'm gonna let it marinate. You can marinate it overnight in the fridge. It's probably gonna give you your best results. But you can also marinate it for about an hour at room temperature. That's what I'm gonna do today. Oh, it already smells really good. There we go. So I'll just come and stir it every once in a while. Like I said, there's no maximum time limit necessarily on this as far as a daily time limit. But like I said, overnight in the fridge or about an hour at room temp. If you're gonna put it in the fridge, bring it back to room temp before cooking. Preheat this to 400. I'm gonna cook it at 400 for 25 to 30 minutes. I got it preheated to 400. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to the dish here. "25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for about, oh yeah, it smells good. Oh, nice and tender too. So it's been cooking for about 20 minutes or so. So that smells just like how you would want it. Oh yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and dump some of this back over it too. Give it a little extra help here. Not the whole thing, just kind of drizzle it and maybe mix it around a little bit. Oh yeah. And then we'll cook it for about 10 more minutes and then let it cool. All right, this is telling me that it's done. The timer's going off. Oh yeah, that just smells delicious. Now I'm just gonna set it up here. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Let it sit for about 10 minutes before serving. Let's see if this tastes as good as it smells. Be good with all that juice over some rice and stuff. It's got that classic char siu taste. For an oven-baked recipe that's quick and easy, this is the way to go. I mean, I had this baby done in less than a couple hours, so super easy. Yeah, give this a shot. All right, let's see how it does over rice. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Make this. You'll love it.